Today in this video, guys, I want to show you how you can fund your CoinEx account using your mobile phone. So I first want to show you what I have in my CoinEx account. I have like let's say 658 US dollars there. So let me come to homepage interface here. The first thing you have to do, check the pinned comments. You will see a link that will take you to sign up for CoinEx. Using my referral link to sign up for CoinEx, you have a lot of advantage because you can earn up to 100 US dollars sign up bonus using it. So make sure you click on the link in the pinned comment to sign up for it. So when you sign up for CoinEx account, anyways, I have a special video on that. I'm going to show you about that, but it's just so easy. When you sign up, you can go to Play Store or Apple Store to download the CoinEx. And when you download the CoinEx app, then you can log in. You know, you have already signed up. You have your login details. Now log in. So when you log in now, you should be able to see yourself here like this. So when you get to this place now, the next thing to do is to come to this place. You should see something like P2P here like this. So now click on this P2P. And if you don't see P2P there, you can easily click on this more button here. Click on this more. So from here now, you should see P2P around trades or something here. So just click on it. So here now, I will click on P2P. Now the next thing to do is to click on this buy button here. Good. The next thing to do now is to come here. You know, this one you are seeing NGN because I am from Nigeria. So my IP indicate that I am from Nigeria. That's why you are seeing NGN here. If your own is not indicating your own country and you know the symbol or abbreviation for your own country, just click on this. When you tap on this, you see drop down menu. Now look for your own. Is it USD you are using? That's your own currency, or what currency are you using? As for me in my own country now, our own currency symbol is or abbreviation is NGN. So I will click on this. If you don't see your own, just scroll through or search for it here. So I'll come back. NGN is okay. Now here I want to buy USDT. For now, it's only USDT you can buy from here. If you click on it, it's only USDT we are seeing here. Then the amount, come to this amount, click here. Now amount I want to buy now, I want to buy something like 100,000 in naira. So I'll put 100, then I can click on this 30. I think it make 100,000. So then I click on confirm. This now help me to filter out people that sell within that range. So the next one is pay. Let me check this one. Click on this. Then you can select based on your own country. What I'm seeing here is different from the one it will show your own country. Mind you, if you're from Nigeria now, you see all these options. You can filter out. Maybe your own is open or whatever, but me, I'll leave everything like this. Then the next one is this. Click on this. So price, I will leave it on price. It's okay like this by default. I will leave it in price like now. The next one we have to do is check this person. Now this is the first person giving me here, which let me check about this person before I will buy. Let's check all this. Let's check this very well. Starting from this one here, I think I'm seeing completion is 96.96%, which means this guy is good. And look at this one, trade. This guy have traded to over 500 people. That's 544 trades, which is very okay. And still look at this one, acceptance. That is 93.44%. That is, if you send request to buy from this person, that this person easily accepts request to sell the offer for people. Now, the second thing we have to consider is this. I think this is the lowest. Look at this, 1,675.95 naira per USD. And if you check others, 1,676 and above. So which means this first guy is still okay. Another thing you have to consider is range. This guy said within 20,000 to 1 million plus. Okay, so I think this one fall within the range of people I want to buy from. Another thing is this guy. Look at this guy, OPay. And like this one also, OPay, PalmPay options that this will have. This person will give you. So this person want to provide OPay for me. I think I'm good to go with this person. I'll click on this buy button here. So the next one is this place, which I will click on. I pay here. I pay. How much do I want to pay? I'll put 100,000. So 100,000. Then I will receive this amount of USDT. So payment method. I'm going to click on this to see option. It's only pay this person have. You see, I'll click on this. So now, look at the details now. This is for me to go through the details and look at the information the person giving me here. Hey boss, welcome. Do not write any crypto related words in the transaction narration. No third party payment. Do not pay kobo. Chatting. Okay, so this is the information. The next thing to do is to click on this buy USDT. So I'm waiting for this person now to accept. When accepted, now you should see the account details of the person here. So I'm waiting for this person. I still have opportunity to click on cancel order here. Look at it. So because he has not accepted this yet, safe. So look at the countdown giving us pending acceptance. Oh great, the person has accepted. So let me quickly make payment to this account. Look at the account details given me here. Okay, so So I will copy account number here. Okay, I've copied it. Now let me go to my OPay to quickly send the money. So I will send to OPay. Then here I will paste the person's account details. Chisom Josephine Akorede. Let me click on it and let me be sure about the name again. Chisom Josephine Akorede. Good. So I will send 100,000 to this person now. So I will send 100,000 to this person. So I will not put anything here. Just click on confirm. Then click on continue pay. Then I found this. Oh, transfer successful. So now the receipt now. Let me share this receipt. I'll save as a image. Okay, sorry. Let me screenshot it. Okay, done. So let me go back to this place now. Then I will click on paid. Look at it here. I will click on paid. So I click on paid. Now upload the payment. Now upload payment receipt. So I'll click on this now. This place to upload it. Then I'll click on upload image. So now I'm waiting for this person to release it because I have sent the proof of payment. So if you check here now, I see waiting for seller to release crypto. If you have already paid, please do not cancel the order. So when gotten, I think we'll see notification now. So while waiting, you can still come here now to message this seller. Let me click on this. Then here, okay, I can also upload the proof of payment again here that I have paid. So this person is telling me that I should send the receipt. So I have sent the proof of payment. Now I'm waiting for this person to release the coin. Send. So I'm still waiting for this person to release the coin. When released, I will see information. Even this place will tick. Hello, please release the coin now. I've sent it. Check. Oh, so look at it now. The person have released it. So it said confirmed and thanks. You know what I did? When I waited for long, this person haven't released my coin. So I checked the number. It gave me OPay number. So I called the person. I released the coin now. So it now says sorry. So now you have released the coin. Now let's go and check how much do I have now. Let me go and check. Click on view assets. Let me click from here. Oh, 707 US dollars. Now you remember I have just something. I cannot even remember. You were the one watching the video. Maybe you remember. But now it has added up. I have over 700 USDT now. So that's just how to fund your account. There is something more I want to show you guys. For many of you into Subising, please, this is just how to fund your account, fund your CoinEx account. If you want to pay into Subising account or whatever you want to use CoinEx for, this is just how to buy USDT online from any country wherever you're watching this video from. So guys, please, I have a lot to show you. I want you guys to please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video and share this video. If there's anything you don't understand, drop it for me in the comment section. And please go and watch this video. I recommend it for you. Go and watch, and this one, yeah, go and watch these two videos. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.